All right, let's try some grinding in the blending bowls. So I'm just gonna make some breakfast, and I want to make some waffles with some oat flour. And so I figured, well, why not test the grinding ability of the blending bowls? Now I'm gonna do this a couple times because I need about maybe about 2 cup of flour. I need about a cup of flour, so it's probably gonna be a couple times here that I do it. I'm gonna get a plate here, like a little bowl, so I can put everything in there. So far, performance of the blending bowls has been pretty good. I'm very happy. So let's do it before I make a mess. All right, so this is rolled oats, regular rolled oats that you can find in the store. I don't bother buying the steel cut oats because I can always cut them down into steel cut oats. But steel cut oats are, they're pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that up to the pretty much the very top of the indicators there, because this is gonna reduce down. Okay, so we have the A3500 already up. It doesn't matter which Ascent series you have, it'll work just fine. I'm gonna try I don't want to try a program with this. I don't know how it's going to turn out. That's one thing I haven't done is the program. And the more times I use the blender bowl, the easier it is to get on and off. But yeah, let's try a program. Let's take a look, because I know the times are different. Puree is 1 minute, no. 35, no, it's a cleaning cycle. All right, so there's no hot soup setting that's in the instruction manual. You won't get hot soup with a blending bowl. 30 seconds for the frozen fruit. One interesting thing is that when you go through the programs, the ones you're allowed to do are bright. And the ones that you're not allowed to do, like this one, is not only does it have the cross through it, but it's also grayed out a little bit, so it's a little dimmer than the other ones. So it's actually pretty cool. That's about 30 seconds. So let's try a 30-second program on it, huh? Okay, I can tell you that it does not take 30 seconds to grind this into flour. This probably takes about 20 seconds to do so at high speed. That is extremely fine flour. Let's see how hot this got. It got hot, but it's not, it's not instantly burn you, but it is pretty hot. And that's from friction. That's normal. Okay, actually, let me get a measuring cup because I want to know exactly how much. Because I need about a cup of this stuff. Well, this didn't really reduce down all that much. It's actually almost about the same as it was when I put it in whole. That might be all I need. Just one good old blending bowl full of flour here, because that came out to be about 1 cup. I thought it would reduce down a lot more, but I know when you do like wheat berries and stuff, I think it expands if I'm not wrong. I don't remember. But anyway, that's the grinding operation, because now I don't need any more flour than what I initially thought. It came out fantastic, nice and light and fluffy. Yeah, that's gonna do real fine on my my breakfast waffles today. All right.